You. I don't trust you.
Don't ruin my leather now.
I want leather. These motherfuckers here.
I'm the gang.
Gang. What you gonna do, motherfucker? What you gonna do? We here. First time at the, as he say, the quickie way.
The quick way.
The quick way.
No, it's the quick way.
The quick way. The quickie way. Hey, same thing, goddammit.
It's the quickie way, because she don't know about the quick way.
She's used to the quickie way. She doesn't know the long way.
Oh.
All her girls, all her.
You're such a big fail at every time you try to do shit.
Partners know the quickie way because they
The quickie way. What the fuck? That's not nice.
How's that not nice?
That's no good, because that makes it sound like it.
Yeah.
Smack this. How about that?
What?
I got enough to go around.
Oh, gracias.
I got enough to go around. Oh, I gotta be the one first?
Hey, look.
Literally, she slapped me while landing.
Hey, yo, I don't know what the hell. I wish they would have got it on the vlog.
While landing.
My knees hurt now.
See, exactly. That wasn't a knee slap, that was a knee punch.
I don't know how the fuck that happened. I was trying to.
They're fragile, aren't they?
I slipped on your leather.
Why don't you just go to Harris Teeter for the
Cheaper over it for me.
Oh, look, it's Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
But they're closed.
Why are they here?
Sunday. Wait, why are they here?
Oh.
Because we needed one.
Because they built one there?
Yeah, we needed one.
Excuse me.
You're not excused. No excuse
I
for
excuse
you.
myself.
Oh.
No.
Look at it. I'm white.
Bruh.
Oh, I'll record you.
And it looks funnier because it's a butt.
Oh, God.
Just adventures in the... What? Look at this. This is what I had to deal with. The abuse.
It's not abuse.
It's a Mopar gay car.
Mopar, gay car?
Yep, that's what I say. Hey yo, so I'm about to end it now. Just got in the house. It's like, well, I'm getting gas. My bad, as you can see. But yeah, man. But peace. I'm out. Treat others how you want to be treated. That also means behind the wood, because your life is no more important than anyone else. You stay humble. You stay driven. Peace, and I'm out. It's so cute.